love you, Sally. I like Timmy now.
But I gave you goldfish.
He gave me a cookie. Oh, a whole cookie. But he looks at me, and I look at him, and he looks at me, and I look at him, and he looks at me, and I look at him.
Man, it's time for my walking again.
Hey, Charlie, just 1 minute.
Nigga, I will shit on the floor.
Take me out.
Can somebody dance without arms and legs? Yes, it's called a face dance. I invented it. I'll teach you. This is salsa. This is tango. This is hip hop.
Nigga. I'm 200% nigga.
And this is dubstep.
This is my chocolate bar. And the word of the day is penis for. Any questions? Yes, Jimmy. What's a penis for? What's a penis?
Don't look now, but the guy behind you is kicking his nose.
You mean that guy? Him? You mean this guy? This guy right here?
Takayama?
Yes, show?
What is this?
I think it's a hit.
What? Why is it making that sound?
We don't know.
Well, it's annoying.
I know.
Make it stop!
I don't know how.
Try opening it!
Hey, kid, what do you want?
I think it's upset.
I know.
I have an idea.
Do it.
I'll do it! Why didn't that work?
It always works.
What does it want?
I don't know.
Sing it a song!
I can't sing.
Sing anyway!
What do I sing?
Oh god, anything!
369, dance sheet 5. No, one more time.
Get low! Get low, get low, get low, get low! To the window!
I shower you with coconut cream pie.
No, nigga.
I shower you with coconut cream pie.
No, nigga.
I shower you with coconut cream pie.